UGC NET JRF exam, History, Solved paper, June 2013, paper 2. Note, this paper contains 50 objective type questions of 2 marks each. All questions are compulsory. Question number 1. Match list 1, name of the book with list 2, author of the book, and select the correct answer from the codes given below. List 1, name of the books. List 2, author. Sketch of Political History of India, 1811, John Malcolm. The History of British India, 1881, James Mill. The History of India, 1841, Elphinstone. The Early History of India, 1904, V. A. Smith. Question number 2. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. Assertion A. Neolithic age was followed by the age of metals. Reason R. For some time, the use of stone implements continued side by side. Read the above statements and select the correct answer from the codes given below. And the answer is option A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 3. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the codes given below. Terracotta horse figure, Mohenjo-daro. Terracotta spoked wheel, Banawali. Fire altar, Kalibangan. Cemetery H, Harappa. Question number 4. The concept of Oriental despotism in Indian history was introduced by whom? A. James Mill. B. Lambert Karlovsky. C. H. C. Rawlinson. D. C. H. Phillips. And the answer is option C. H. G. Rawlinson. Question number 5. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer with the help of the codes given ahead. William Jones. Asiatic Society of Bengal. James Prinsep. Decipherment of Indus script. Cunningham. Indian coins. Sir John Marshall. Indus civilization. Question number 6. Match list 1. King with list 2 kingdom. And select the correct answer with the help of the codes given below. Brahmadatta. Kasi. Jarasandha. Mahada. Janamejaya. Kuru. Aswapati. Kekaya. 7. The earliest available Indian coins were made of A. Gold, B. Silver, C. Copper, D. Copper and silver, and the answer is option D. Copper and silver. Question number 8. In Mauryan period, Sita tax was imposed on A. Forest land only, B. Agricultural land under private control, C. Agricultural land under state control, D. Both B and C, and the answer is option C. Agricultural land under state control. Question number 9. Arrange the following rulers in the chronological order. And the correct chronological order is 2. Pushyamitra. 1. Agnimitra. 4. Sucheta. 3. Sumitra. Question number 10. The Romaka Siddhanta in Indian astronomy shows signs of A. Roman influence, B. Greek influence, C. Iranian influence, D. Arabian influence, and the answer is option B. Greek influence. 11. Match the list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the codes given below. Vikramashila, Bihar. Vallabhi, Gujarat. Besnahar, Madhya Pradesh. Nagarjunakonda, Andhra Pradesh. 12. Which one of the following inscription provide the earliest epigraphical evidence of Sati? A. Mathura inscription of Havishka. B. Junagarh inscription of Rudradaman. C. Iran pillar inscription of Bhanugupta. D. Bangskera inscription of Harsh. And the answer is option C. Iran pillar inscription of Bhanugupta. 13. Match list 1 rulers with list 2 inscriptions and select the correct answer with the help of the codes given ahead. List 1 rulers, list 2 inscriptions. Kumaragupta 1. Bilsat inscription. Kumaragupta 2. Sarnath inscription. Buddhagupta Iran inscription. Parantaka 2. Uttarameru inscription. 14. Arrange the following into sequential order and select the correct answer from the codes given below. Simha Vishnu. 1. Simha Vishnu. 4. Mahendravarman 1. 3. Narasimhavarman 1. 2. Parameshwaravarman 2. 15. The rulers of South India constantly fought with each other because of A. Imperialistic ambition, B. Old dynastic rivalry. C. Desire to control the rivers like Godavari, Krishna and their valleys. D. Monopolistic ambition to control sea routes. And the answer is option C. Desire to control the rivers like Godavari, Krishna and their valleys. 16. Consider the following statements about Amir Khusro. 1. He was the disciple of the Sufi saint Sheikh Nizamuddin Aulia. 2. He is said to have written several treatises on music. 3. His work Khazain-ul-Futuh deals with the reign of Sultan Qaikubat. 4. The musical instrument sitar is regarded as his invention. Which of the following statements given above are correct? Select your answer from the codes given below, and the answer is option C, 1, 2 and 4. 17. Which Sultan of Delhi got Qutub Minar repaired, cleaned the derelict house and erected on its bank a spacious madrasa? A. Iltutmish. B. Alauddin Khalji. C. Firuz Tughlaq. D. Sikandar Lodi. And the answer is option C, Firuz Tughlaq. 18. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the codes given below. List 1. Saint poets. List 2. Compositions. Kabir, Bijak, Surdas, Brahmar Gheet, Eknath, Eknath, Bhavartha Ramayana, Tulsidas, Vinaya Patrika. 19. Which among the following writers claimed that Muhammad bin Tughlaq had designated Firuz Shah as his heir? A. Jauddin Barani. B. Shamsi Siraj Afif. C. Ibn Battuta. D. Yahya bin Ahmad Sirhindi. And the answer is option E, Jauddin Barani. 20. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the codes given below. List 1. Regional kingdoms of Sultanate period. List 2. Ruler. Gujarat Sultanate. Mahmud Behra. Bahmani Sultanate. Ahmad Shah I. Kashmir Sultanate. Sultan Sikandar. Malwa Sultanate. Mahmud Khalji I. 21. Who among the following rulers divided his troops into units of 50, 200, 250 and 500? A. Sikandar Lodi. B. Sher Shah. C. Islam Shah. D. Akbar. And answer is option C, Islam Shah. 22. Arrange the following in correct chronological order, and the correct chronological order is 1. Conquest of Gujarat by Akbar. 3. Introduction of the system. 2. Battle of Haldighati. 4. Introduction of the Ilahi era. 23. Identify the dynasty which rising Panch Hazari belonged to. A. Rathore of Bikaner. B. Rathore of Jodhpur. C. Rathore of Kishangarh. D. Rathore of Ratlam. And the answer is option E, Rathore of Bikaner. 24. Which one of the following pairs is correctly matched? A. Second Battle of Panipat, Akbar versus Ibrahim Lodi. B. Battle of Haldighati, Akbar versus Rana Uday Singh. C. Battle of Dharmat, Aurangzeb vs Dara. D. Battle of Samugar, Aurangzeb vs Shuja. And the answer is option C. Battle of Dharmat, Aurangzeb vs Dara. 25. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the codes given below. Khaza-e-Sharifa, Emperor's own establishment. Sibandi, trooper hired for the occasion. Talab, Mansabdar's pay claim. Zakat, transit duty. 26. The cities look attractive from a distance, but inside them all the splendor is lost in the narrowness of the streets and the bustling of the crowds. The above comment on the Mughal Indian cities was made by A. Father Montserrat. B. Sir Thomas Roe. C. Peter Mundy. D. Tavernier. And the answer is option E, Father Montserrat. 27. Who stated that 20,000 men worked incessantly to construct Taj Mahal? A. Manuchi. B. Abdul Hamid Lahori. C. Tavernier. D. Shah Nawaz Khan. And the answer is option B, Abdul Hamid Lahori. 28. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion A and the other labeled reason R. Assertion A. Many Mughal nobles carried on trade in their own name or in partnership with merchants. Reasoner, as governor of Bengal, Mir Jumla tried to monopolize trade in all important commodities. In the context of the above two statements, which one of the following is correct? Select your answer from the quotes given below, and the answer is option B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. 29. Which historian called the Indian merchants engaged in overseas trade as peddlers? A. N. Steensgaard, B. Om Prakash, C. Van Leer, D. Ashim Das Gupta, and the answer is option C. Van Leer. 30. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? Authors and book. Sunil Kumar, The Emergence of the Delhi Sultanate. B. Catherine B. Ashar and Cynthia B. Dalbot, India Before Europe. C. Harbans Mukhia, The Mughals of India. D. Farhat Hassan, Riding the Mughal World. And the answer is option D. Farhat Hassan. 31. Consider the names of the following Mughal emperors of the 18th century. Among the following sequences represent the correct chronological of these Mughal emperors. Select your answer from the quotes given below. And the correct sequence is 3. Jahandar Shah, 4. Muhammad Shah, 2. Ahmad Shah, 1. Alamgir 2. 32. Which of the following was not true of James Augustus Hickey? A. He was the pioneer of Indian journalism. B. He was the founder of the Bengal Chronicle. C. He always worked for the press freedom. D. He was sent to prison by company government for being fearless journalist. And the answer is option B. He was the founder of the Bengal Chronicle. 33. Who of the following Governor General started the Indian Civil Services? A. William Bentinck. B. Wellesley. C. Cornwallis. D. Warren Hastings. And the answer is option C. Cornwallis. 34. At which place Women's Indian Association was founded? A. Bombay. B. Calcutta. C. Madras. D. Jaipur. And the answer is option C. Madras. 35. Who authored the book Sri Purush Tulana? A comprehension between women and men. A. Tarabai Shinde. B. Ramabai Ranade. C. Savitribai Phule. D. Anandibai Joshi, and the answer is option A. Tarabai Shinde. 36. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer with the help of the codes given ahead. List 1 movement, list 2 area. Pabna movement, East Bengal. Mupla rebellion, Malabar. Deccan trials, Maharashtra. Bardoli movement, Gujarat. 37. In which year the book Hind Swaraj was written? A. 1907, B. 1908, C. 1909, D. 1910, and the answer is option C. 1909. 38. Who of the following was known as Socrates of Maharashtra? A. N.M. Joshi, B. M.G. Ranade, C. G.S. Deshmukh, D. G.K. Gokhale, and the answer is option B. M.G. Ranade. 39. As a result of the Pune Pact, the number of seats reserved for the depressed classes out of general electorate seats were A. Decreased, B. Increased, C. Retained, D. Abolished, and the answer is option B. Decreased. 40. The Gujarat Sabha led by Gandhi played a leading role in the A. Ahmedabad mill workers strike, B. Peace and agitation of Kheda, C. Bardoli agitation, D. Salt Satyagraha. And the answer is option B. Peace and agitation of Kheda. 41. Who of the following set up Mahila Arya Samaj to improve women's education? A. Pandita Ramabai, B. Sister Nivedita, C. D.K. Carville, D. G.S. Agarkar. And the answer is option A. Pandita Ramabai. 42. In which year Shraddha Act was passed? A. 1927, B. 1928, C. 1929, D. 1930, and the answer is option C. 1929. 43. Rani Gadinulu, who fought against the British, was from A. Tripura, B. Assam, C. Nagaland, D. Manipur, and the answer is option C. Nagaland. 44. Which one of the following was not related to INA, Indian National Army? A. Rash Bihari Bose, B. Lakshmi Sehal, C. Rash Bihari Ghosh, D. General Mohan Singh, and the answer is option C. Rash Bihari Singh. 45. In February 1947, Prime Minister Attlee declared that the British would quit India by A. May 1948, B. June 1948, C. July 1948, D. August 1948. And the answer is option B. June 1948. 46. The generals of the INA Shahnawaz, Gurdial Singh Dhillon and Prem Sehal were formerly officers of the A. British Indian Army, B. It will be the parliamentary system based on adult franchisee. C. It guarantees all citizens equality before law. D. It provides free education for girls. And the answer is option D. It provides free education for girls. 48. The Moplas were the poor peasant and agricultural laborers of South Malabar. They were mainly converts to Islam from the lower caste like A. Thia Chiruma, B. Ramadasiya Mehtar, C. Mahar Mang, D. Mala Madika, and the answer is option A. Thia Chiruma. 49. In the context of Cold War, which one of the following statements is not correct? A. USA planned to use the island of Cuba as a base for launching her nuclear weapons. B. Both USA and Soviet Union sent weapons and troops to other countries to fight. C. The Russians built the huge Berlin Wall to prevent the people of East Berlin from moving into West Berlin. D. NATO and Warsaw Pact came into being in due response to the Cold War situation. And the answer is option A. USA planned to use the island of Cuba as a base for launching her nuclear weapons. 50. Consider the following observation concerning new history and select the correct answer. A. It focused attention on manners, customs and beliefs of whole people. B. It tried to displace political history from the center of historical attention. C. It employed the methods and insights of sociology and other sciences. D. All of the above. And the answer is option D. All of the above.